Welcome to How You Can Apply for Exemplar Global Personnel Certification, the third and final presentation in our three-part series discussing how the personnel certification application process works. I'm Mike Richmond, your host for this session. In parts 1 and 2 of this series, we discussed what personnel certification is all about and why you may wish to pursue certification in your own career. Today, in part 3, Exemplar Global Operations Supervisor Susie Gomez shows you how to apply and walks you through all the details of the process. So without further ado, let's turn it over to Susie for today's presentation.
Thank you, Mike, for the introduction. Today, I'm going to take you through very briefly on how to apply for a personnel certification. As your first step, if you haven't done so, please create an account at exemplarlink.org. Exemplar Link was developed specifically to help professionals like you build your career pathway and identify and capitalize on opportunities. Exemplar Link will guide you along your journey with a range of services, including planning a career path and discovering different opportunities. Realizing your potential through professional development and training, connecting you with industry through events and networking opportunities, demonstrating your competence through digital badging and profiling, supporting you to find your next professional opportunity, keeping you informed about industry trends through data and insights. Most of these services are available free of charge or at a low cost to you. Now let's talk about your personnel certification. Your first decision involves which certification or certifications you wish to achieve. And yes, you can pursue more than one certification at once. Visit us online at exemplarglobal.org/certification to view the complete spectrum of personnel certifications we have on offer. Be sure to download the certification requirements document in PDF format from the individual certification you wish to pursue to ensure you currently qualify for the certification or if you require further training or experience. Once you have determined the right certification or certifications, the first step is to ensure your training course is completed through an Exemplar Global certified training provider for the relevant program you wish to apply for. To select an Exemplar Global training provider, refer to exemplarglobal.org/certification, click the tab Find an auditor/training provider, selecting the training provider search register tab. Once you have selected your training provider of your choice, you will then liaise with the organization as to their fees and course schedules associated with your training program. Upon completion of your training course, you will be issued with a certificate of attainment reflecting the course modules. Stand by and I will now take you visually on how to submit your application to Exemplar Global. I'm now going to take you through the process of submitting your application. Click on the tab Exemplar Link. Enter your user ID, which is your business email address. Click on the tab Login. Enter your password. Select the tab Manage My Certification and select Exemplar Global. Select the tab Apply for Certification. Here you will select your certification program from our drop-down menu. Today I'm going to use Quality Management Systems Certification Program as my example. So I would select the icon, the tab Quality Management Systems. Click on the tab Quality Management Systems Auditor. Click on the tab Continue with Qualification Based. Here you will select your grade of certification. Today I'm using the lead auditor grade as my example. So click on the lead auditor grade. Select the tab Choose Grade.
click on the tab New Application and click on the tab Continue to Scopes. Note, scopes are not compulsory, but if in the event you do select a scope or scopes, you are required to submit evidence of either a training certificate or an audit log reflecting 10 audit days, or a resume reflecting 2 years work experience. I will be selecting the scope of 01 in today's presentation. Click on the tab Continue to the Code of Conduct. Complete your Code of Conduct by clicking on the little box and click on the tab Continue to Authorization. Here you will submit the Exemplar Global 20% discount code, which is currently being offered. This information is reflected on the Exemplar Global website. However, the code is EG 20% off NA. Click on the tab Validate. This will now take you to the payment page. Complete your payment process and select the little icon box and click on the tab Pay Now. Once you have done so and your payment has been processed, you will be required to upload your documents in support of your application. Click on the tab Submit and your application will be received into Exemplar Global. Thereafter, I will handle your application and complete the process of your approval and notify you accordingly. We hope this presentation has whetted your appetite to learn more about Exemplar Global Personnel Certification. If you do have any questions or concerns, please feel free to contact us at info@exemplarglobal.org, and we will be happy to answer your questions. Thank you for watching. We look forward to welcoming you to the Exemplar Global family of certified professionals. On behalf of Exemplar Global, I would like to take this opportunity to wish you and your family a safe and wonderful festive season. Thank you.
Well, thank you, Susie, for providing an excellent overview of how you can apply for Exemplar Global Personnel Certification. All who have watched this presentation are eligible to purchase CPD to demonstrate your ongoing commitment to continuous learning in the field. Thanks to all of you for watching this discussion. And again, be sure to check out the other parts of the series, as well as the dozens of other webinars and presentations that Exemplar Global offers to support you in your career. So long for now.